How to show file extensions in Windows 11. Hey everyone, welcome back. Today I'm going to show you how to show file extensions in Windows 11 so you can always see exactly what type of file you're dealing with. First, open File Explorer. You can click the folder icon on your taskbar or press the Windows key plus E on your keyboard. Now, at the top of the File Explorer window, click on View in the menu bar. Hover over Show from the dropdown, and you'll see an option called File Name Extensions. Click on it to turn it on. And that's it. You'll instantly see file extensions like .jpg, .pdf, .docx, and more right next to every file name in your folders. This is really useful when you have multiple versions of a file and need to know exactly which format each one is in, especially if you work with a lot of different file types. And if you ever want to hide them again, just follow the same steps and click File Name Extensions again to turn it off. And that's it. Showing file extensions in Windows 11 takes just seconds and gives you a much clearer picture of what's on your computer.